There's a roaring torrent of water off to our left. That's because we're here parked at the Ramsey Cascades trailhead. This is Ramsey Prong roaring past. Some of the trademark Smoky Mountain mist is rolling through the woods here. We're going through some of the best old growth forest in the park. There's 2 trees ahead of us. They gotta be like 120 feet tall or something. They're huge. This right here is what hiking is supposed to be all about. We've come a good ways, hiked a lot uphill. We've got, we still got a ways to the waterfall, which is probably going to be strenuous, and but either way, I'm not thinking about anything but just how nice this is. My legs don't feel tired or anything just because of how wonderful it is seeing all this around us. It's like a fairy tale. As we walk through this old growth forest with the mist rolling through, the dramatic creek below, the amazing green everywhere, it's just like we're in another world. It's like nothing else I've seen before. The fairy tale continues as we're at this rock that just stands along kind of a bend in the creek. The trail is going to go right up there. We still got that mist rolling through. Nice little rapid you can view. I love this spot. This is fantastic. Gonna let the GoPro sit for a second. We made it. It's raining. I got the tripod out for some shots and did some shots. Who knows if they work. It's a rainy Ramsey Cascades. It's way bigger than it looks in this, I guarantee you. Like all the cameras that I've seen flatten this thing out, this thing is not flat. Not at all. Alright, one last look of Ramsey Cascades behind us. We are going to sign off and make the adventurous trek back. Hopefully nothing will happen because I'll be keeping the camera put away just to make our hiking a lot easier, since everything is wet and some of the trail goes right close to waterways and drop-offs and stuff. So hopefully we'll be seeing you from the parking lot. So we finished our rainy Ramsey Cascades hike. It was a really good hike, but it was really rainy too. It rained on us twice on the way to the falls, and the last time it rained all the way up until we left the falls, and then on the way back we got an absolute deluge. So the rest was just rain. That was a deluge. It was worrisome, and the trail was just
becoming flooded. Yeah.
But it was a great hike. I'm sad that it rained, because otherwise this would have been like up there with my top hiking experiences ever. Overall though, it was still great. The trail was awesome. The views of the creek, spectacular. The waterfall was almost an afterthought. The woods were great. I just loved every part of it. This was the centerpiece of our trip planning, and it met expectations. So.